Hi everyone, I've just purchased this Jap engine water pump, and this will be my first restoration. I'm trying to identify what model Jap engine this actually is. I think I need a replacement coil for it. On the side down here, I don't know if it's visible in the video, but it's got 03 stamped on the block, and then there's some serial numbers which I can't seem to pick up. I need a bit of help identifying what model engine it is. I wondered if anyone out there could actually tell me. It's a two-stroke engine. As I can't see anywhere where you can actually put any oil in it, so I'm pretty sure it's a two-stroke engine. It would be nice to know what model it is, and if anyone can help me dating it. I think it's 1957, I'm not sure, but if anyone out there knows what model engine it is, I would be very grateful if you could let me know. Okay, that's it for now. I will probably do a series of videos on this, restoring this engine, see how far I get. Bye for now.